Hey, it's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in deep cherry red crystal pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style HID headlamps sliding up the road in front of you, LED running lights, LED turn signals, and there's fog lights as well. And those dots on the front bumper are front ParkSense parking sensors, and there's an adaptive cruise control sensor down there. This Grand Cherokee is running on 20-inch alloy rims, and there's four-wheel disc brakes all around. And the tires are Goodyear Forterra mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors are chrome and have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they're heated mirrors as well, and does have blind spot radar. This does have chrome door handles on the outside on all four doors, and this does have the proximity key fob. It's in my pocket at the moment. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. The Grand Cherokee will sense the fob is near. They'll unlock the doors for you. You'll always press that button right there to lock up the Grand Cherokee when you're done with it. There's storage down below with a cup holder, nice leather padding. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. And this does have power folding in mirrors. You mold the mirrors in if you don't want them out. Press it again, and the mirrors fold back out to where they used to be. This has driver's seat presets. You can see it with the two presets, and by the push of one of these buttons, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. This does have a leather wrapped steering wheel with unique materials on top. This is a power telescoping steering wheel. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there. That button will turn on the fog lights. Press this button here if you want to put gas inside this vehicle. And there's a directional air vent which you can close and open. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This does have leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Grand Cherokee. Summit stitched in to the front and back seats. Nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on. Open this up. There's a CD player in here, a little spot for some things, and a 12-volt DC power outlet. And this does have the panoramic sunroof up top and an auto-dimming rear view mirror. Let's go check out the back seat area. This does have tinted windows, by the way. All right, storage down below. Leather padding right here, power window switch, great style. Lots of footroom in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. Good view of the panoramic sunroof. Fold down armrests here in the middle with two big cup holders with a chrome touch. Directional air vents down below here, which you can easily adjust. You can adjust where you want the air to go. There's a 115 volt AC power outlet, and this does have heated seats in the back. How cool is that? And two USB ports so you can charge up devices. Park on the back of the driver's seat with hooks so you can hang up bags. Pull this handle right here. There's a 60-40 rear split setup, and when all the seats are folded down, it gives you more space to haul bigger things inside. This Grand Cherokee, easily push it back up and it locks back into place, and you use that handle to recline the seat back. And there's hooks on the backs of the seats, so if you want to set up a child seat, you can easily do that. This is where you put gasoline inside this vehicle. It is capless. This does have a rear window wiper. Those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors, dual exhaust tips out the back. Nice badging, Jeep 4x4 Summit Grand Cherokee. Love it. Backup camera is right there. Press this. This does have a power liftgate, and it opens up right before your eyes. All right, there's a subwoofer on the right side here. Some hooks so you can hang up bags. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet right there. You can never have enough of those. Underneath here, there is a spare tire. Some more hooks on this side. And it's nice to have this, like I'd say, catcher. In case things slide back, it catches onto here. You can easily unhook them from here as well. And press this button here. You'll hear a few beeps, and then the power liftgate will come down right before your eyes. Love it. And there's convenience lights on the liftgate too. Storage down below, another padding, power window switch, great style. Pocket on the back of the passenger seat too with hooks so you hang up bags. Pull this handle here, the seat comes down. Hook here in case you want to set up a child seat. Push it back up, it locks back into place. Push the headrest back up just like so. You can unlock all the doors. You have the key fob on you by putting your hand on the passenger door handle just like this. Always press that button right there to lock up the Grand Cherokee when you're done with it. Storage down below with a cup holder. Nice leather padding, power locks, power window switch, looking good. Passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support. There's airbags built into the front seats. Side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags and more. Lower glove box here with a manual, nice materials. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents you want to keep in there. It has a directional air vent which you can close and open. I love the stitching on the dashboard, it looks sharp. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. This is the proximity key fob. There's a nice Jeep badge on the back. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. Press this button twice, you can open up the power liftgate. And this does have remote start. Just press this button twice. The doors will lock and the Jeep will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then you can hit the unlock button to get inside, or you can put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handle to unlock the Jeep. Keep this key fob in your pocket, or you put it down below here in one of the two cup holders. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press the push button, start button, and that'll get you past the remote start system. LCD driver information center screen in the middle, and using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, we can go through the driver information center screen. First thing you'll see is that this has 73,248 kilometers on it, which is not too bad. So you have a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have two styles. You have the classic style or the digital style. I kind of like the classic style. Yeah, here's where you can change it. Vehicle info area tells you your transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, and back to your tire pressures there. Oh yeah, there you go. Your Selec-Terrain area, adaptive cruise control area / driver assist area. Fuel economy lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold the OK button and you can easily reset that. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Hold the OK button here, you can easily reset one or both of those. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case the Jeep wants to tell you something. Screen setup here, so you customize the screen, make it more of your own. And back to the digital speedometer. Nice Jeep badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, adaptive cruise control right here, paddle shifters on the back of the steering wheel, and steering wheel mounted audio controls, which allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. This does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancelled.
Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice. You can answer and hang up on calls that come through Bluetooth by using those buttons right there. If I throw this Jeep into reverse, that shows up the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors on the screen here. So if you get close to an object front or behind you, it'll show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object, and you'll also hear audible beeps as you get close to an object. And backup camera shows up on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. This is very straightforward and very easy to use. Here is the Selec-Terrain System right here. This does have air suspension. You can raise and lower this Jeep. That is very nice. 4-wheel drive low and hill descent assist right here. There is a USB port, an auxiliary port, and SD card port connect to your media. There is a 12-volt DC power outlet and nice materials in there. You can turn off the parking sensors by using this button right here. This does have forward collision warning, eco mode, traction control. You turn it off there. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Jeep to adjust your climate control for you. Air conditioning recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster, driver temperature, passenger temperature. Easily adjust your fan speed right here. You can turn the screen off here if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. You have your hazards, back button to help you guide through the system, tuning knob, browse button, mute button for your audio, and this is a volume knob. Great sound quality through the speakers. Oh yeah, definitely rock out, have a good time inside this Jeep. Turn it back down just like this, or you can press the mute button. Directional air vents, which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open these. You can direct tune to a specific radio station that you want to listen to, adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, and more. Presets up above here. Easily set a preset just by using your finger. Access to a mini-map connected to GPS navigation right here. Easily adjust your audio. I said that already. Awesome. Media button here. You have a CD player, right? A USB port and a auxiliary port. Go here and you can listen to music through those areas, even through the SD card port and Bluetooth. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats up front. Heat steering wheel, and you have your mirror dimmer right here, and settings. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go. You can unsync and sync the temperature, set the temperature with just your finger, and you can adjust your fan speed and more. GPS navigation area view. The map here gives you a great view of where you are. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Bluetooth area here, pair phone, make hands-free calls. Everything you're doing from a call, you hands-free on the touchscreen Uconnect system here, and you pair more than one device. Settings for touchscreen Uconnect system and this Jeep Grand Cherokee, so you can customize this Jeep and have it the way that you want it to be. To put this Jeep in the sport mode, when in drive, just go like this, and it'll let you know that sport mode is on, and that little flag will stay right there. Flick it back down again, and that turns off sport mode. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. Fold down sun visors here with convenience mirrors and convenience lights. These are breakaway and they do slide out. Sunglasses holder, programmable garage door opener, buttons up here for the panoramic sunroof so you can open it up. You can have the cover it so you can't see out of it, and more. And reading lamps and spotlight lamps. Definitely come check out this Jeep Grand Cherokee sometime soon. Okay, so if you're ready to go to new heights, if you're ready to go really high, if you're ready to keep moving on up, check out this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit at Crosstown today. It's in deep cherry red crystal pearl paint, and it's powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood, and is very luxurious and attractive. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.